Friday, June 21st, 2024. Saint Aloysius Gonzaga. Focus. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Today's focus compels me to ask, what do I value the most? Where lies my treasure? Let me diligently search and answer sincerely. For most of us, our treasure may be our bank balance, a portfolio on the stock exchange, a diamond necklace, or a house, ancestral or otherwise, or any such valuable possessions. The first reading tells us that treasure may not always be material. For the Israelites, treasure was a god named Baal. Throughout the Old Testament, we see the fascination the people had for Baal, Astarte, and the golden calves. In present times, we are not likely to go in for gods. In fact, many have a preference for no god at all. But our treasure could well be a person so dear to us that we prefer them to doing the will of God. Or it could be a prejudice or even a value. If that be the case, then we would know where our heart is. Jesus stresses that we should lay up treasures in heaven. What are these treasures? These are the good deeds we have performed on our earthly journey. Good deeds done as a result of a belief in Jesus Christ and His Word. Fruit. Today, let me give up my ungodly attachments. Let me instead lay up treasures for myself in heaven by being kind and caring to others.